Hi guys, this is Mr. V. Today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial about invoicing. So first you can just go onto Google. You can go to my website. It's www.vglobalconstruction.com. You can just go into the website. You will have to start a free trial just to sign up. And then when you are logged in, you can go to more and templates. Then you can go to invoice. You can just download the invoice. You'll see here at the bottom left, you can open up the invoice. Then we'll start from the top. On the left top, you'll see that is the logo or your company name. Then if you go to the right hand side, that will be your tax invoice number. You can choose your tax invoice number. Then you will see that is the tax invoice date. Then page, this is only one page. You'll see it's one invoice, so one invoice page. Then for the contractor, normally what we do is we have got a project number or a name. So you can just add your project number or name. Then on the left hand side you will see you're going to address it to your client. So on the right hand side, that is from, so that is your company details. In this case it will be V Global Construction with your address and then your telephone number and VAT number. If you go down, you will see there's a date. You will see you can just add your date, your description, and then your quantity, the amount, and then your total amount. The total amount is your quantity multiplied by your amount, and that is your total. Then if you added all your descriptions, then you'll see at the bottom on the left hand side, that's the amounts that's overdue. So it's a 90 day, 60 day or 30 day. And then on the right hand side you will see there's a subtotal. So you can just, you'll see the subtotal is all the amounts added. Then your VAT, in South Africa the VAT is 15%, so that is just your subtotal times your 15%, and then you get your total amount is your subtotal and your VAT. Then on the left hand side, that will be your company banking details. So you add your company banking details, so when you send the invoice to your client, then they will pay the money into your bank account. And then on the left bottom, you can just, for the contractor, you can just add your name, signature and date. And then for project manager, just to also put in his name, signature and date. And guys, that is invoicing. It's actually very easy. If you've got any questions or comments, you can just send me your comments below, and enjoy your day.